This is a 1998 model State 40-gallon natural gas water heater. It was replaced with a new State 50-gallon natural gas water heater by Pat the Plumber in Topeka. This is scale buildup in the bottom of a water heater. Notice the anode rod off to the right hand side that is broken off and separated from the upper anode rod. The scale in the bottom and on the sides of the water heater is mineral and hard water buildup. Minerals meaning calcium and magnesium are routinely called hard water. Scale buildup dramatically reduces the efficiency of water heaters. It can reduce a water heater efficiency 30% or even more. This water heater had accumulated buildup on the sidewalls of up to 1/4 inch thick. On the bottom of the water heater, it was 2 inches thick. Scale mineral buildup accumulates quickly and should be flushed out of the tank routinely. It's recommended that your water heater gets flushed every 6 to 12 months to prevent this buildup.